And Pakistan is fighting a twin battle with Afghanistan on its western border and rising confrontation with India in its eastern region after the attack in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. The crisis is further deepening with political divide also widening in the country and policies of the Pakistani establishment being called into question. The latest salvo came from Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman, who said that the Pakistani army needs to admit that it doesn't have a strong political force behind it. Simply making statements that the nation is on the same page is not enough.
आज भी मैं अपने फौज को इस महाज से एक पैगाम देना चाहता हूं कि इसका एतराफ कर लो कि मौजूदा सूरत हाल में आपकी पुष्ट पर ताकतवर सियासी कुव्वत नहीं है। आपको भी सियासी कुव्वत की जरूरत है, आपको भी अवाम की पुष्टपनाही की जरूरत है। ज़बानी बयान जारी कर देना कौम एक है, कौम एक है।
The Jamiat leader underlined Pakistan's worsening ties with Afghanistan, saying Islamabad had an opportunity to mend relations with Afghanistan when the Taliban-led government came into power, but Pakistan chose to push them away. Even though India always succeeded in building strong ties with Kabul, he said while entire country in the current scenario stands united against India, a similar consensus is hard to achieve when dealing with Afghanistan. Maulana Fazlur Rahman also highlighted Pakistan's dwindling economy, comparing it with the rising economies of India and others. He called for the need to integrate political and economic viewpoints with the perspective of military in decision-making.
इंडिया की इकोनॉमी ऊपर जा रही है, चाइना की इकोनॉमी ऊपर जा रही है, बांग्लादेश की इकोनॉमी ऊपर जा रही है, इंडोनेशिया की ऊपर जा रही है, मलेशिया की ऊपर जा रही है, अफगानिस्तान की ऊपर जा रही है, ईरान की ऊपर जा रही है और इन सब के बीच में सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी गिर रही है। क्यों?
Political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, on the other hand, demanded an immediate release of its founder and former Prime Minister Imran Khan, saying that the leader has the ability to mobilize and unite the nation when the country is facing severe external threats. While the demands were raised during a party meeting called to deliberate on the prevailing political and security situation in the country.